This creature was caught on camera, and it doesn't look real. In 2007, a deep-sea camera captured something that stunned scientists. It was called the big fin squid, but it looked nothing like any squid ever seen before. Its arms were impossibly long, stretching several meters, thin like wires, bending at sharp angles, almost like elbows. It didn't swim like normal sea creatures, it hovered, slowly, almost like it was watching. The footage came from thousands of meters below the ocean's surface, a place so deep, sunlight never reaches. What makes it even stranger is that scientists still don't fully understand how it moves, or why its limbs are shaped that way. Some believe those long arms are used to feel the ocean floor. Others think it's a hunting technique we've never seen before. But here's the unsettling part. We've only seen a few of them, and every time they look just as unnatural. If something like this exists in the deep ocean, what else is still down there that we haven't seen yet?